Hi everybody. So today we're going to be doing some geometry. We're going to do lesson 26 from the iReady Math for first grade. And it's the first page, it's page 243 on lesson 26, which is called Understand Shapes. So our standard for today is 1 for first grade, GA for geometry, and 1 for the first standard in geometry in first grade. And it's about knowing the attributes of shapes, or knowing what makes each shape, different from the others. So we know here it says, look at the example, then solve. Here are some shapes you know. So these are called triangles because they all have 3 angles. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are called rectangles because they have 4 angles and straight sides. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the sides are straight. All the angles are 90-degree angles. See, they're all what we call right angles. Hexagons have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all hexagons have 6 sides. All rectangles have 4 sides. All triangles have 3 sides. Okay, so let's look at the first one here. It says, count sides and corners. Name the shapes. Okay, so it's got 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 corners, 1, 2, 3. What is this shape called? I'll make it bigger so you can see it. It's called a triangle, right? So right here we're going to write triangle. I ang triangle. Go ahead and write that down. Okay, if you need more time to write that down, I'm going too fast, just pause the video right now so you can finish writing that down. Okay? Because if not, if you don't pause right now, I'm going to move on to the next one, and you won't have a chance to copy it. Okay, so here's the next one, number 2. It's got 4 sides and 4 square corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this called? Well, which one is it? Is it a triangle, rectangle, or hexagon? Yeah, it's a rectangle, right? So we're going to write rectangle right here. Angle. Rectangle. You have to write it kind of small because it might not fit. Rectangle. Go ahead and write that down. Okay. If you need more time to finish writing down the word rectangle, pause the video right now so you can finish writing it down. If you don't pause, loves, I'm going to keep moving on. Okay? And you won't get a chance to finish copying. So pause it now. All right, here I go. We're going to go to this side. So let's count the sides on this shape. Okay? I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see the sides. Okay, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6 right here. Okay, now we're going to count the corners. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. So right here we're going to write 6 for corners. Okay, now we have to decide what is this shape called? Is this shape, and I'll make this smaller so you can see these, is this shape a triangle, a rectangle, or a hexagon? Yeah, it's a hexagon, right? Because all the hexagons have 6 sides and 6 angles. So this one has 6 sides, 6 angles, so it must be a hexagon. So let's write that down. Hexagon. Go ahead and write down hexagon. Okay, now we're going to move on to this one right here. This one says blank sides, so we got to count the sides, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write 6. Okay, now it says corners. So let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. So let's write 6 corners here. Okay, now let's figure out which one of these it is. Is that a triangle, a rectangle, or a hexagon? Yep, it's a hexagon because all hexagons, see this is the one right here, right? All hexagons has 6 sides and 6 corners. So let's write right here, hexagon. Go ahead and write that down. Okay, if I'm going too fast and you need to pause the video, do that now, please. Okay, if you don't pause now, I'm going to move on to the back side of this page. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the back side. Let me make it lighter here. All right, I'm turning it over to this side. Okay, number 5, I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see it. It says, color the triangle green, color the rectangle red, color the hexagon yellow. Okay, so we're going to get our crayons out. Okay, so I got my crayons here, and I'm going to color the triangle green. So the triangle is the one with 3 sides. Tri means 3. So this is a triangle. I'm going to color it green. Okay, there it is. And then it says, color the rectangle red. So this is the rectangle because it's got 4 sides, so I'm going to color it red. Now it doesn't have to be pretty, but usually I like to trace it around and color the inside. Okay, so there's the rectangle. And then the last one is color the hexagon yellow. So here's my yellow. I'm going to color the hexagon. And hexagons have 6 sides. All right, there we go. Go ahead and do that. Okay, pause. If I'm going too fast and you need more time to color the shapes, pause, okay? Because I'm going to move on if you don't pause. Okay, it says here, color the shapes with square corners blue. Okay, so square corners are corners that are like this. They go straight like a square. So this one has square corners because he's got one here, 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 here. So I'm going to color this one blue. Okay. Now let's look at this one. Are these square corners? No, they're too closed. They're not square. This one doesn't have square corners either. But this one has one square corner at the bottom. So I'm going to color this one blue. Because there's only one square corner, but it says if it has a square corner. Color it blue. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to color those shapes. Okay, because if you don't pause the video right now, I'm going to move on to the next one, number 7. So pause the video and color these two. Okay, number 7. Circle the shape that has 6 sides and 6 corners. Okay, 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, we're not going to circle that one. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5. Should I circle it? Nope. It says 6. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6 sides and 6 corners. Should I circle it? Yes, I should. Okay. Okay, ready to do this one? What is the same about these two shapes? Circle. See these two shapes? How are they the same? Do they have square corners? Yes, this one has square corners, and this one does too. So I'm going to circle that one. Number of corners? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So do they both have the same number of square corners? Yes, they do. So we're going to circle that. Okay? There we go. So today we learned the attributes or the things about these shapes that make them different. And let me go back out to the beginning. Okay, so here's the front we finished, and here's the back that we finished. You can see that. Okay, so our page is finished. I'm going to turn off the video.